Looking at a phone and tablet clamp today from Sunwayfoto that the company have sent in. Just put the measurements and the weight on screen for you. I did check them and they are quite accurate. This is an all metal design, there's no plastic here at all. On the bottom there is a 1/4 inch thread and you'll notice that also has the grooves. This is Arca compatible. And what they've done is on both of the ends they have this textured silicone just to give a bit of grip and protect the item, be it a phone or a tablet. We have the locking mechanisms here, so you need to turn that clockwise, assuming you're holding it in the same direction that I am. And anti-clockwise unlocks it, so you can pull out the bracket to the desired length that you want and then lock it off. You'll notice on the left hand side there is a screw thread there, and on the end of the knob there's plenty of texturing there so you can get a good grip. You can unscrew that out and that gives you the additional length. It also lets you lock it off. You will notice the warning there about not overextending it, so when you unscrew it just make sure you leave a bit of space there. Fully extended, this is quite large, much larger than most of the holders. You can go up to around about 30 centimeters. I think the company does have some other models in the range, but this seems to be one of the wider ones that will fit larger devices as well. It is pretty sturdy, everything feels very nicely made and machined. The minimum distance is around about 9.5 centimeters, so you'll notice that you'll be putting a phone into this in the vertical position, not the horizontal. So that could be a pro and a con, but it does mean to say that you're not going to knock any of the buttons. I'll be doing a review on this ultra compact tripod shortly, but just to show you attaching this onto the ball head, and then you can rotate it around as you want. I do like the quick lock mechanism, but the only potential drawback is you've a limited amount of space there, just over 2 inches or 5 centimeters. Fortunately, that should be enough for most tripod heads, so do make sure to check that. But a normal one, which I'm showing you here, there's no problems at all fitting that, and you'll be able to get the device off by using the thumb screw on the side. I'll show you attaching the clamp to a tablet now. This one is a slightly awkward design, purely because it's just a different shape at the bottom. So in this case I'm going horizontal rather than vertical. If you've got a normal tablet, obviously you can go around the other way if you want to. Do leave a bit of space with the clamp on the end, leave that open slightly so you can tighten that down. Another reason to use that knob to tighten it up is it's easier to remove than trying to go after the clamps on the underside, could be a bit more awkward. They also do an adapter for this, so you can attach it so you can put items such as microphones and LED lights on there. If you have one of those ultra thin laptops, then you can also use it for that. Just make sure that you check the sizes to make sure it will fit. It's not the cheapest holder out there, but I do like the quality, and overall I think the design is very useful. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I will be looking at that tripod shortly. I've got a couple more items in from the company. Links are in the description down below if you want to have a look at that. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.